Everyone, welcome back to Biotic World. Today's let us learn about cell cycle. What is a cell cycle? It is known as the process how cells duplicate and divide. Today's we are going to learn the cell cycle topic with an animal cell. In this animal cell, we have cell cycle in three phases. First phase is known as the interphase. The second phase is known as the mitotic phase, and our third phase that is called as the cytokinesis. In the first phase, the interphase, we have the three phases commonly known as the G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase. But here we have one more phase that is known as the G0 phase. So first let us discuss about the G0 phase. G0 phase is known as the resting phase. Here our cell leaves the cycle, means our cell in a resting phase, it does not process any work, but it increases its biochemical reactions, metabolic reactions, like it does not divide further, it does not duplicate its chromosome, right? Next we have the G1 phase known as the gap 1 phase. Here the cell continues its growth. It takes nearly 11 hours. It is the first phase of our cell cycle. Next we have the S phase. This is known as the DNA synthesis phase. Here our cell duplicates its DNA and the centromere also duplicates. In this diagram you can see our centrioles is the middle one, and whereas the microtubules are the sidelines. Next we have the G0 phase. Cells grow some more and it takes nearly 4 hours. In this phase, the nuclear membrane you can see, the chromatin you can see, and also the nucleolus you can see here. Next we have the prophase. Here mitotic phase is started, and in this prophase the chromatin condenses into the chromosome and our nucleolus becomes disappear. Next we have the prometaphase. In the prometaphase, the nuclear membrane breaks down, nitrocore microtubules invade nuclear space, and all the organelles, means the cell organelles, are disappeared. Polar microtubules push against each other, moving centromeres apart. Here nuclear membrane is breakdown, you can see here, and also that there are the formation of these centromere on the opposite pole, right? So the chromosomes started to place them over these rays. Next we have the metaphase. The chromosomes line up along metaphase imaginary plane. You can see here, this is the structure of our chromosome. Here this is the chromatid and this one is the sister chromatid. The middle one is known as the centromere, but a single one have the middle one, that is known as the nitrocore. So here these are the chromosomes that align themselves on a plane. Here the next phase is known as the anaphase. In this anaphase, chromosome break at centromeres and sister chromatids move to the opposite pole. Here the half one of the chromosome, yani one chromatid of the chromosome, are just attracted by this centromere. These are moving towards the centromere and these ones are moving towards this centromere. So both are moving towards the opposite pole. Next phase we have is the telophase. In this telophase, our the separation of nucleus take place completely. Myosin 2 and actin filament ring contract to cleave the cell into two. Here we can talk about the cytokinesis, where our cytoplasm of the cell divides. So this is the complete cell cycle. Thank you so much.